I like to punch them in the gut slowly. Hell, that's the way I roll when I box. I never knocked anybody out. That wasn't as much fun. It was not as much fun knocking them out. I like to see them suffer. That's how we do it. Well, I like to see them suffer. To me, to see them squirming and if you really want to make them squirm, then you need to add the attorney or the prosecutor. You don't do the shit to the judge because that could get ugly for you. But you add the attorney or the prosecutor's property and assets to your claim or to the demand for sanctions. You can do anything. This is what I'm trying to teach people. Okay, don't let their limitations and bullshit get in your way. You can do anything. Add that stuff to, add the attorneys, And so when you do that, you got to look up the attorney's property and see who all's the signer on it. And then, well, most of the time the attorney's spouse is signed on. So you want to add him or her to your demand for sanctions or to your counterclaim if you're in have time, or to your lawsuit that you filed in state court or whatever, or the one that you filed in federal court. And then you have to serve the spouse. You serve the spouse a copy of. And what we did when I was working with my helping my sister is we not only added the spouse, we also added the state bar association to it, so the spouse could see that they're going to have to get somebody else as an attorney because we're suing all of them. And they were pissed. My sister served that lady, and so okay, y'all, you don't have to kick them in the ass. Add the spouse to the shit and let the spouse do it when they get home. Now I'm having a lot of fun tonight. That's how you do it. You ain't got to worry about punching them in the gut. You ain't got to worry about that. Let the spouse do it. Let him explain or her explain to the spouse how they're gonna get out of this. Okay, you suing their ass, and you got the judge on there, at least one. So you guys see here in my program, okay, you're only limited by your fear or your lack of creativity or your lack of doing your your homework. Okay, so let's just move on.